How to send thousands of direct messages on TikTok automatically. Hey everyone, today, I'll show you how to send thousands of direct messages on TikTok automatically, using one powerful tool, MKT TikPro. First, go to the user scanner section. Here, you can scrape usernames based on hashtags, followers, or specific keywords. For example, if you're promoting fashion or crypto, just type your keyword, and MKT TikPro will instantly collect thousands of active TikTok users for you. Next, now we move to the viral marketing section and select Send Messages. Paste the TikTok IDs you just scanned, then set up your options, number of messages per account, delay between messages, random message mode. Then, you can write multiple message templates, add emojis, hashtags, or even use spin content, so every message looks unique and natural. Once done, just hit start. As you can see, messages are delivered instantly to real TikTok users. It's fast, safe, and totally automated, perfect for viral marketing, affiliate campaigns, or product launches. So that's how you can auto-message thousands of users on TikTok using MKT TikPro, the ultimate TikTok DM automation tool. No more manual work, no more wasted time, just pure automation and results. If you want to try it right now, check the link below or message me for setup support, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automation tutorials.